Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Hirsutism. It is the excessive growth of androgen-dependent sexual hair in facial and central part of the body that worries a female. Adult body hair. Hair type. Phases of hair growth. Vellus hair. Fine unpigmented. Hair present over most body part. Terminal hair. Thick coarse. Pigmented hair present in certain part of the body. Sexual hair. Terminal hair sensitive to androgen present in the midline of the body, upper lip, chin, chest, sideburns, pubic area and thighs of hair growth. In female, major androgens are dehydroepiandrosterone sulfate, that is DHEAS, dehydroepiandrosterone, DHEA, androsterone testosterone, that is T, dihydrotestosterone, that is DHT. All androgenic activities are due to T and DHT. Pathophysiology of hirsutism. It involves combination of the following: increased concentration of the serum androgens, especially the testosterones, decreased level of SHBG resulting in increased free testosterones, that is, testosterone itself reduces SHBG level, increased responsiveness of the target organ skin to the normal circulating androgens. This may be related to ethnic background. Oriental women have less number of hair follicles per unit area of skin compared to a Caucasian woman. Increased activity of 5A reductase which converts testosterone to DHT in the skin and hair follicles. Thus, the hair follicle become a secondary site of androgen metabolism at the expense of hair follicle stimulation and hirsutism. Causes of hyperandrogenism. Ovarian, polycystic ovarian syndrome, Sertoli-Leydig cell tumor, Hilus cell tumor G, lipoid cell tumor, stromal hyperthecosis, luteoma of pregnancy, adrenal hyperplasia, that is congenital or late onset, Cushing syndrome, adrenal tumor, obesity, android, insulin resistance and androgen excess, exogenous or drug therapy, androgens, anabolics, oral contraceptives, synthetic progestogens, danazole, phenytoin, diazoside, cortisone, postmenopause, pituitary tumor secreting excess ACTH, that is Cushing's disease, excess growth hormone, that is acromegaly, idiopathic, increased sensitivity of PSU to androgens. Investigations. History of intake of an offending drugs producing androgenicity is to be excluded first. Family history of excess hair growth is too often correlated. Virilization. Then, mild hirsutes are not frequently found during puberty, pregnancy and postmenopause. During postmenopausal period, there is decreased SHBG, more amongst obese patients resulting in elevated testosterone. Physical examination, BMI calculation, CT, MRI, TVS, testosterone estimation, oral glucose tolerance test. Treatment, pharmacological therapy, contraceptive pills, dexamethasone, anti-androgens, spironolactone, flutamide, finasteride, ketoconazole, insulin-sensitive drugs, glucocorticoids. Duration of therapy, response of all the drugs are slow. Drugs should be continued for at least 6 months. Anti-androgens inhibits the growth of new hair follicle but fails to remove the hair that is already present. Removal of the source, a adrenal or ovarian tumor should be surgically treated. Cushing's disease can be treated by adrenalectomy. Radiation to the pituitary or removal of ACTH producing tumor by transsphenoidal surgery. In iatrogenic cases should be stopped. Home remedies. Weight reduction. It is management. Weight loss is associated with reduction of hyperinsulinemia and androgen excess. Ideal body mass index should be not more than 25. Removal of hair. The excess hair is to be removed by bleaching, twitching, depilation, epilation, waxing, lasers, shaving or electrolysis. Laser and pulsed light therapy destroy hair follicles. Skin pigmentation may occur. In electrolysis, individual hair follicle is destroyed. Side effects are pain, scarring, and pigmentation. Women must avoid pregnancy during therapy with isotretinoin. Consultation with a dermatologist may be sought. Eflornithine hydrochloride 13.9% cream when used topically prevents hair growth by inhibiting the enzyme ornithine decarboxylase. This enzyme acts on the dermal papilla to stimulate hair growth. Treatment needs to be continued for a long time. Treatment of acne including treatment for lowering the androgen levels. The other therapies may be given with topical antibiotics, topical benzoyl peroxide, retinoid, and sometimes oral isotretinoin, analog of vitamin A. Oral isotretinoin is highly effective against severe recalcitrant acne. It is teratogenic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.